Assalamu alaikum girls. Today we're going to learn the topic area of composite figures of chapter area and perimeter. Now if you look closely in your worksheets, we have a definition of composite figures. A composite figures is made up of several simple geometric figures such as triangles, rectangles and squares. So now if you see here, this composite figure is made up of two simple figures, and the first one we can see here is a rectangle because only the opposite sides are equal, and over here this is a square because all sides are equal. So, and over here too you can see that this is a square, this is a rectangle, this is a rectangle, and it has two squares. Now the process is very simple, but for that you have to know proper formulas for area of square and proper formulas of area of rectangle. You have to understand it, you have to learn it properly in order to find the area of composite figures. Okay, so now the process is nothing but we're going to separate both the figures from each other, and we're individually going to find one by one. We're going to find the area of one figure and then the other one, and then we're just going to add them, and you will understand in a minute of how we do them. Suppose this is A and suppose this is B. We're going to find the area of square A, and then we're going to find the area of B, and then we're going to add them. So now, for further understanding, we're going to answer question number or example number 1 in your worksheet. So you have this figure here. You have A and you have B. So now, this is pretty simple. The first one, area of rectangle A, because you have two sides already. So you have the length and the width. Area of rectangle A equals to length into width, which is 4 into 10 meters. So that is 40 meters square. You already got the area of rectangle A. But now look at rectangle B. You don't have the length. You have to find the length in order to find the area. So how do you do that? They have given you the total length of the figure. You know that this much from here to here is 4 meters. That means if we subtract 12 minus 4, then you will get the remaining length, which is the length of rectangle B. So length of rectangle B equals to 12 minus 4, that is 8. This means that this is 8 meters. 12 minus 4 is 8 meters, because we already have the total length and we have from here to here. So if we subtract 12 minus 4, we will get the remaining length, that is the length of rectangle B. Now that we have the length, we already have the width, we have area of rectangle B. We can find the area of rectangle B, that is length into width, 5 into 8, 40 meters square. Now simply we can just find, so total area of figure equals to area of rectangle A plus area of rectangle B, that is 40 plus 40, that is 80 meters square. Okay girls, this is example number 2. So they have given you this figure, and now you have to find the area of this complete figure. Now look, it's separated into two parts. One is A and one is B, right? So area of rectangle A. Now if you can see that they have given you the length and the width, right? So easily you can find the area of rectangle A, that is area of rectangle A equals to length into width equals to 50 into 20 centimeters, that is 1000 centimeters square. Now you might think that rectangle B is a square, but in reality it is a rectangle, because as you can see that they have two different measurements on two different sides. So even this is also very easy because you have the length and the width of the rectangle. So easily you can find the area. Area of rectangle B equals to length into width, that is 15 into 10 centimeters, that is 150 centimeters square. Girls, I forgot to write the square, but always make sure to write the unit and proper unit. Total area of figure is nothing but addition of area of rectangle A and area of rectangle B, that is 1000 plus 150 centimeter square equals to 1150 centimeter square. Girls, this is what it was in your worksheet, and you have a homework in your workbook. So girls, please complete it, and if you have any doubts, we will be solving those in the Zoom class. Okay, thank you girls, that's it for today.